Hey guys, Lytane here, and for too long, cats have been used for the evil masterminds of the world as their go-to pet when it comes to scheming. But I don't think these movies have thought things through very well, because cats are very independent and very willed creatures. As you can see, this cat doesn't want to be in the shot anymore. Bye, Falco. They like to go everywhere. So I reckon if a cat was really in a secret mastermind evil person's base, then they would get into the evil person's headquarters and into their armory, and then they will blow something up because they would play with it. Or perhaps they'll just sit on top of a keyboard because that's what cats do, and then would cause something bad to happen. Just like an explosion. And this game is sort of loosely based on that idea that cats, when in very weird situations, can cause explosions. So today on Roll to Start, I will be playing with my friends, Exploding Kittens. Exploding Kittens is a very simple game where you will be dealt a hand of 5 cards, and with that you will always have a diffuse and 4 random cards. After that, the aim of the game is to just be the last player standing in this game of what is essentially Russian Roulette. The rules are very simple. On your turn you can play any of these cards in any order and up to as many of them as you would like before your turn ends. Some cards that you would like to play are Shuffle. Shuffle lets you shuffle the deck. Or perhaps you want to See the Future, which lets you draw the top 3 cards from the deck, see what they are, and then put them back in the same order. Or perhaps you want to ask somebody for a favor, where you get to point to somebody and they give you a card of their choice. Or perhaps you want to steal a card from them. If you have 2 cards of the same name, like these taco cats here, you can steal from them and, you know, maybe get something good in return. The other cards that you could get are Skip, which lets you end your turn immediately and skip it, or Attack, which attacks the person next to you and they have to have 2 full turns before the next player. Also, if you don't want any of these cards to happen at any point in time, you can play a Nope, which stops everything from happening except for the last 2 cards that I'm going to talk about. Nopes also cancel out other nopes, so if somebody plays an attack and then you go nope and then they go nope on top of your nope, the attack happens anyway, so it can be quite funny when a nope chain happens. After you've played all the cards that you've possibly wanted in your hand, or you can't play any more, you then have to draw a card from the deck. And now this is where the game gets really intense and really interesting, because hidden amongst these cards are explosions. And if you are to draw one, you die, which is such a shame. You're out of the game. Unless you have the last main card in the game, which is a diffuse. Diffusers stop explosions from happening, but you have to get rid of the card and it's gone forever. You can never get it back. Diffusers are probably the most powerful card. They also can't be stopped by those nope cards that I mentioned earlier. Now that you're just survived your death, this is where another fun mechanic, and probably my favorite part of Exploding Kittens, comes in. You get to put the explosion back into the deck wherever you would like. If you want to put it on top and kill the person next to you, do it. If you want to count down a couple cards and you're like, well, no, okay, if I put it down 5 cards and it's going to go around 2 times and then it's going to kill this person, you can. So long as you remember, I'm pretty sure you'll be safe. As my cat runs underneath my feet and ruining shots. As I say, cats are very naughty. If you explode and you do not have a defuse, that's it. You're out of the game for the rest of the game. And as these cards start dwindling lower and lower and lower as the game goes on, the chances of death become higher and higher and higher, and each turn becomes increasingly frustrating, increasingly intense as you're like, oh, is this going to be the final turn that's going to kill me? Nope, it is not. Oh, is this going to be it? Oh, nope, it's not. Until somebody eventually dies and there can only be one victor. So with that in mind and all these rules that I've just told you, this is my friends and I playthrough of Exploding Kittens. I hope you enjoy. Alright, let's get started with Exploding Kittens. So I've already pre-drawn everybody's hands and everything's already set up in the deck. Let's get started with Kitty.
Okay, well, I'm gonna pass first off. And pick up. Oh!
Oh yeah!
Who shuffled this deck?
I didn't put the Exploding Kittens in. That's
Who said who should go first?
Well, I guess
Conspiracy theory.
That plan. Diffuse.
Alright, so you diffuse, that means you get to put the explosion back into the deck wherever you want.
Alright, I'll do it down
That'd
here.
be...
Travis probably gonna put a number 2. Like 1, 2.
Alright.
I didn't.
There's no conspiracy theories just yet.
Alright, so how much do I trust my loving girlfriend? How much?
You don't.
How much do I trust
Out
you?
of 5.
Trust me a lot.
5 out of 4.
I trust you. It's all good.
Oh, this is. I don't know.
How much
Michael,
do
we're
you...
friends, it's okay.
I'm going to end my turn, play attack. So you.
Alright,
will
Chris, you
play
take
2
two
turns.
I shall play my first turn as see the future, see what
Nice.
Travis do.
So you get to look at the top 3 cards.
Oh, so that's what you did.
I didn't do anything.
I shall draw the next 2 cards.
Oh, okay.
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 That's
oh.
yours.
Well, I don't remember what I did, so I'm just gonna attack you for.
Oh, gosh golly. Well, so I don't have to find out what you did, I'm gonna shuffle.
Oh.
Let's just shuffle all the cards.
Actually, just.
You have no idea.
Yeah, I just put it in.
It's like random. Now you've shuffled it right to the top.
And... Boom! I did not.
Okay.
This game is so intense all the time.
Yes.
I shall see the future again.
Wow, you're
Whoa,
really,
okay.
Yeah.
you're really paranoid about this deck.
I am.
But he just shuffled.
I shall take this card.
Alright.
Word of advice for you, I don't know that card. Like it's 3
Yeah.
turns. So.
Yeah, you don't know the card for me.
Well, I'm gonna
Alright,
skip
Kitty.
my turn.
I too will take a card. Ah, damn it! Alright, well, I diffuse it, of course.
I do not have any more futures. So you can
I'm
really see.
excited.
Remember to count your
I'm
cards.
excited for this victory here.
Alright, that's cool.
Okay, my turn.
Yes.
Did he screw me? Yes, he did.
It's all getting close. Now you have to count out 1, 2, 3 if you want to kill me again.
No, but he's thinking. Who has the most diffusers? Me, so chances are it will be
How do I
me.
know
Yeah.
you have the most?
Well, he hasn't died
One
once.
news.
Yeah, but he also saw the future. He could have.
Yeah, man, he had like 2 see the future cards.
I did.
How many are you carrying?
Okay. Yeah, I think what he saw the future and was like, oh, let's couple
Yeah.
see the future. So I'll draw
I
the
should
first.
just go ahead and just shuffle this deck.
Oh,
So everything is like
all that hard
yeah.
work.
what I feel like is thrown out the door. And I still need to draw a card, isn't it?
Yes, yes, you do.
So let's go ahead and draw a card.
And did you kill yourself?
No.
Oh, that'd have been great.
Well,
Alright, Kitty.
I am
Well.
going to ask Chris to give me a card.
Any card of your choice.
Thanks, Chris.
Still have to
No
draw.
worries.
Okay.
No fear.
No fear. Well, I'll follow suit. Nice.
I shall just go ahead and see the future.
Oh my god!
See the picture cards you have.
Gosh, you're clairvoyant. Oh no,
Just
yes.
go ahead and go attack you now.
Oh, that's not a good sign.
I'm gonna say no.
No.
Gosh, you saw all the futures. He knew what was going to happen, Kitty. Why did you fight against him?
I don't want to draw a bomb.
Alright.
I'm out. I'm out.
Oh, well,
The
farewell.
first victim. No fear, but I have lots of fear. Well, good.
Good. Okay. Okay.
You can show me too.
You can just go to the camera.
How does it feel to be the first
Oh, yes. Cool. Continue.
special guest star, special guest death? No fear. Boom!
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh god, good.
I shall go ahead and see the future.
Oh my god.
So you did pick up all the secret
You know there's
features.
4 see the futures in the deck.
But he's
You
got
had
more.
all 4.
I should just go ahead and take this card.
Alright.
Well,
Well, no.
Did you set yourself up to fail, Michael?
no, I never shuffled.
Alright, well, I'm going to steal from you.
Is it?
So steal a card.
Okay, we can do it this way.
Oh yeah, so what?
Wait, do you get to
Audience at
random
home, please tell me which one. Tell me this one. Alright. Alright, but I still have to play.
Play the card I just gave you.
Oh, favour is card of choice.
I'm going to shuffle the deck. Because I'm really scared of what you saw. So now you don't know the future.
I don't.
Yeah, but
And he's ran out of those cards.
Yeah, there's
so.
no more see the future cards anywhere in the
And then
deck.
he
So I'm going to
miraculously
kill
plays another one.
myself. Damn it! But it's okay, I stole Chris's diffuse. Thank you, people at home, for telling me which card to steal. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no, I'm still in. Still in.
Yeah, he's confused.
Alright.
So, 1, 2.
I'm out. Remember
one.
that when you're counting.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I know.
You want to go back to number
I think I did that right.
He actually killed himself.
Alright, let's see what happens. Michael.
Let's just do it. Okay.
Yeah, I don't feel good about this. I don't feel good.
He killed himself.
Oh, thank God.
I hopefully did it!
I think this is the one.
No, I want this. I want to be playing this all. Oh no.
This is it. This is it. It's on now.
Yes! It worked!
Confused.
Aww.
Lucky!
That's not
Oh,
fair.
I guess who you killed tried to kill you.
Yeah, just remember.
You're gonna try and suck me out. Like what I just did? Lead you into a false sense of security. Or he's gonna put it on top.
So my turn. Draw a
Your
card.
turn, son.
Thank you.
I don't trust you. Can you give me a card, Michael, of your choice? Your choice. Anyone you want.
So I can,
You can give me a diffuse if you have it, and you're really generous.
but I'll just play a note. I don't want to give you a card.
He has
Oh.
too many good cards.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Well, in that case, I really want a card.
Well, I really don't want to.
Okay, then I'll skip my turn. Do you have another nope?
Nope.
Skip my turn.
Draw. Ooh.
You're so confident I draw, so that means I should be okay.
Now, did you plan
Here
on me
we go.
skipping a turn?
Imagine if I planned that far ahead.
Damn it!
Kill me!
No, I figured he had a card.
Damn it!
I did plan for him skipping.
I had a shuffle too.
So it's my turn.
Yes.
Play 2
Can I
of
please get a card?
Of your choice.
Ooh.
Audience at home, you helped me, or you helped this evil person?
Help me, guys. Can I take this card? Can I also take another card?
Same
Take a good
order.
card.
Luck of the card.
Come on. Let's say one of them's got to be diffused. Right? Or did he steal your last? Wait, did you use a diffuse earlier?
No, but he stole my diffuse earlier.
Yeah, but I thought. Oh, that means there might be one still in here. I'm going to take this card.
Uh-oh. Well, I know what card that
Still-
was.
You still have to draw.
Yes.
It matters
Oh,
not for him.
no.
He just got a good
What are you
card.
gonna do, Michael? Ooh. Ooh.
Yes. Your turn, sir.
Oh.
Oh gosh.
Oh god, the stress! I hate this game. Ah! Diffuse.
Oh, that's it.
Where
There's
you
no
gonna
more
put it?
diffusers in the game. You can just put it right on top.
You can drag this out, right?
Just gonna skip straight off the bat.
What you gonna do? There's only
No!
a handful
Look!
of
Oh,
cards.
look at this. He's just not gonna
It's
even
gonna
hide
be
it.
right in front of your face.
Oh, no fear.
Okay. No sleight of hands or anything
No
happening?
sleight of hand, son.
Okay. Let's go ahead and draw a card.
So brutal,
Draw a
Michael.
card.
I'm just gonna go ahead and attack.
Nope.
Oh, I thought
Oh!
Ah, boy!
I have no more cards.
Used all your notes.
I have no more cards. Like, this is my hand.
Oh,
Take a draw,
that
son.
means
Draw. Oh, you wouldn't know.
the man that saw the future and knew it was coming.
Congratulations, Michael.
Congratulations, winner.
Ah. Didn't explode. Right. Oh, that's just...
Tension's gone.
You know what? That card that I drew was a nope. So when you went to attack...
So you were lucky.
My diffuse
You were
card as
lucky.
well.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, my life.
Scariest
Been
game
you,
of all
Chris.
time.
That could have been you.
Yeah. Oh well.
So that was Exploding Kittens, guys, and this guy didn't explode today. No, he didn't. He's being a good boy for once. As you can see, it is a very, very intense game where every move you make is literally life and death, and I absolutely love it. It's going to be a mainstay on my gaming shelf for a long time to come. Oh, you like eating me, don't you? Since this game was so short, we actually recorded 2 episodes, and the second one's going to be released later. So be on a lookout for that as this cat tries to eat me. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys and this cat next time. Bye!